listen?
He's listening.
What? What?
He's not listening.
I'm taking a video. Oh man.
Train videos are boring. You want to download this
Yeah.
video to YouTube? That's the stupidest idea.
Oh, you look good. That's you. Okay. Wait, 12-5, yes! Yeah! Oh, that's the once again. Jeez, that's what it was. Sure, it's 7, just like. Got the train. Oh, bus. Dang it. Smooth bus. Let me film here. Thank you. Alright. Shoot, man. Oh, 198 again. Yes! 198 again! Yes! 156 again! Yes! Yes! Yes, dude! Yes! Got him, dude. Got him. What was that, my mom? I got the video, guys. Alright. Why am I going fast? Look how cool this car!
Awesome, dude! This is awesome! Ah!
Dang, what was trailing? I didn't think what was trailing.
Oh my god!
Oh! Fire truck, gnarly! No, wait. No, wait, this is a freight train. Dude, wait, what? Does this malfunction? Wait, yo. Dude. Oh! Oh! Yo! Yo, wait. Oh! Freight train! Freight train! What the? Yo! Yes, yes, yes. Yo! Yo! What the? Yo! What's the freight train song? Oceanside parking lot. What? Dude, that? What the flip?
Lauren was planning to go.
I'm filming. I'm filming while I'm crossing. Jeez, man. Four, 3, 301. Are you kidding? Yo, dude. Yo. What's a cab car? 2503, 2301. Cab car is 2301. Kind of surprising. Dude, I'm kind of surprised that I've seen 301 and 302 today. Like, that is so surprising. Having a happy nightmare right now. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Filming this, finally. Make it time for filming this. It's gonna be down. Yo. No freaking way. Christian's gonna blow his horn. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh! Yes! Yes! Going slow, don't you think? What's leading it? What the heck? Oh, it sounds good! Sounds good! Yeah, sounds good. 30 something! Yo! Let's go, dude! Let's go! Oh, that was short. That was insane short. Yeah. Short Memphis. Oh, it's out in San Diego. Yes! Got him, dude. Yes. No freaking way. Dude. I've got the train.